Hello everybody, and I killed myself with TNT and my big sister made me redo a video and blah blah blah. Like, you don't want to hear about it, okay?
Yeah, you know, because Nathan had his
What? I have a horrible microphone. How would people even know me? Oh, right, you said my name. That's really sad. I cannot believe I forgot about that. Okay, so since I'm lagging, I might as well just vlog. Okay? It's gonna be a long time. Bye, I'm vlogging. Okay, I'm vlogging, it's pretty much nighttime now. I do not know why, I'm just looking up into the sky. Because I have a sunroof that's made of entirely glass. Oh, by the way, I was only playing for like 30 seconds until I had to relog because of all the lag. You know, I'm just gonna do something. This is like so I don't die, and like it's because like I'm getting one piece of TNT. Ew, one piece of TNT, right? It's the best. By the way, guys, if you want to blow up your house, this is exactly how you do it, okay? If gravity were to be stronger inside of Minecraft, it would have been easier. But if you want to blow up something, this is the easiest way to do it, okay? I'm just waiting till I get to world height. You guys, I'm not editing this. I'm not gonna, like, cut this, okay? Because it's boring when you cut it. And when they cut stuff, I can't even click. Oh, wait, if you want to watch stupid videos on a Garvio, then click something, and then, Pumbaa, like, you saw the food. I clicked it, and then he eats everybody else, and then he eats number one. It's really fun! Imagine if there was no world height. Okay, this might take a while, everybody. It's like fast. It's so much faster when you do this, people. Okay, now I'm gonna shoot the arrow. What? It's called lag! And it's probably gonna actually blow up my house. Dude, there's no way my... Oh my god, look at it down there! It's just like all sprinkling all over the place. It's so pretty. It's what I call fireworks. And what happened to all of it? Oh, look at this! It's called broken TNT. Yeah, it's really actually, I hope I did not blow up my house, because that would be like really sad. And what I once actually did it's like, did this. Like, to be honest, I was planning on not doing that. Come on. Why does Minecraft have to be so harsh? See, it did it. It's what I call a scatter cannon. If you want to blow up your house, if it's nearby. Technically, but that's actually what I taught other kids what not to do in Minecraft. Yeah, I teach little kids what not to do in Minecraft. AKA blow up your own house. That's also something that you should do inside of your life. Because your life is better than Minecraft. Except for maybe that Minecraft's more fun and blocky. Get it? Blocky because it's made of... Screw whatever I was saying. Let me hit this block person. Guys, we are to see this. Oh! Yeah, this is fun! What do you mean, watch my mouth? What was I cussing about? What did I cuss? What? What was the cuss word? You're getting me in my throat spot again. This is what I call fun. It's called explosives. You know how fun explosives are? It's so fun my mom would play with them. My mom doesn't play with explosives. By the way, guys, you never saw my hand. Little kids that are watching this, I'm not a little evil person. I probably look like one anyways. All you actually have to do is dig straight down and make a TNT hole. Doesn't that sound fun? Dig straight down and you fall out of the world. Yeah, fall out of the world. What? Yeah, actually don't fall out of the world, people. I don't have any bedrock. That's really sad. Can we like fix the world now? Of course. I always have to fix the world because I love worlds. Those are funner than my real life actual video game. My real life actual video game is not even fun at all. And the real life video game is called Ryan's Toy Skin. It's actually not called that. By the way, Ryan, I'm not insulting your YouTube channel. There's no way to be playing Minecraft by now. Now it's time. 3, 2, 1, go! I don't think it's gonna work! It didn't work! Guys, it didn't work. I'm a failure in humanity. Whoa! What? I thought I should say that. Oh, hold on. It's the Foxtail. And it's gonna be raining lava, which is beautiful, actually. Isn't this so beautiful? Except that, like, Xbox lava is like beautiful. Gonna light my hair on fire. No, I don't want to do this. I have to do this. I'm just gonna do like a few pieces of TNT. It's not gonna do very much harm. Come on, people. It's called TNT. It doesn't do any harm to people. Even though you could use one of them to kill somebody. Oh. It's probably exactly why I have blood on my hand inside of Minecraft. I mean, it's not inside of real life. Because that would be like really creepy if it were to be inside of real life. And, you guys want to see my new skin? Yeah, I changed my skin. Do something creepy. Where's the lava? No, I don't want to do it now! Come on! I probably just did it. Guys, just watch it. And wait for it. Wait for it? Wait for it? Nope. Just have to wait until a flame sparks the tea and... Oh, here we go. There goes one. Now here goes the rest. Yeah, the one right by me just blew. And now I'm covered inside of hot molten lava. Hey, look, I got some ores. That was really sad. Hey guys, look, I got some more XP. Let's fix my sword. See, it worked. It actually fixed my sword. Is that weird? What's actually weird? Look at this. Going in the portal straight through a block. Oh, what? That's possible? Oh my gosh, it's possible! I'm in a block. That was not... What? That was not supposed to happen. Why was I inside of a block? When do you get inside of a block before an ender block? Let's see something. Like, what if we were to get, like, another thing? Like, instead of the stupid axe. One more in the portal, what do you think? Yeah, just both of them, sadly. Look, it's a silverfish. It's actually really fun to mess around with ender pearls. Especially when you like throw one straight up and then you throw one like right here and then you throw one like right here. See? It's fun, right? Isn't it fun, people? Come on, admit the real answer. What I do is like wait for something to happen. What happens sometimes? Like let's throw one here, throw one here, throw one here, throw one here. See, guys, look. It's like, no, my God, what's wrong with this world? OMG, the water king! OMG, the desert! This is actually what happens when you go to houses. Like, this is what happens when you're way too high and you keep on falling into pools. It's gonna be like a really fun ride, everybody. Check this out. 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 Hey, you know? Wonder where I'm gonna be going. Oh my God! This is close to home. Probably gonna be on top of my home. I'm getting closer to home. I'm actually getting further away from home. Yeah, I'm lagging. This is what happens when I do too many intervals at once. You know, I'm soon gonna not even be able to find my house. Even though it's pretty low. Oh my God! What was that? I was just you know how fun this is gonna be? Just gonna wait. You see, you don't even know how laggy it makes stuff. Yep, and I've been hit to the ground once again. Okay, let's just do game mode. Adventure, creative, spectre, survival. Let's just see if we can actually die from ender pearls. Let's go. Let's go! Ow, my hand is still bleeding. Oops. I did just throw my ender pearl. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die! Oh no! No! I don't wanna die! What? No way, I didn't die. I died. Yeah. That's what happens when you, like, throw too many ender pearls. And then I'm probably going to be spawning in other places. Right? Right? As in this horrible lag. Okay, guys, I might as well just leave off the video right here. If you want to see my Minecraft skin, like, maybe again, like, I don't even know if I already did it inside of, like, these 14 minutes. Like, I'm still lagging. I'm probably outside of my house now. Okay, so this is my Minecraft skin. I totally wasn't holding it. Sorry. Now, I'm still really laggy inside of Minecraft. Just because I died. Yeah. It's all because I actually died. Like, yeah, it's like really sad. Because whenever I die, I like always lose like all my... I don't lose my items. I want to throw this into grass. That was a failure! It just says player hurts. Water flows. By the way, guys, I'll leave off this video right here, and, yeah, pretty much. Yay! You guys will actually leave it off right now. See you all guys on my next video. Please guys also watch some of my other videos, and I just said watch some of my other videos. You don't have to subscribe. Actually, if you want to subscribe, you can. But if you don't like this channel, you don't have to subscribe.
Yes, you do.
You don't have to subscribe to every single YouTube channel in the world. But you guys will leave it off here, and like, while I'm doing parkour until like my video like automatically ends. Yeah, I wish I could have infinite recording time. That would be like really fun. It'd be like funner than like my big sister's YouTube videos, because they're horrible. Yeah, my big sister's YouTube videos are horrible. You know, Jane Panda Book. That's her YouTube channel. It's gonna be linked inside of the description. Hope you all like this video, and like not actually like leave a like and subscribe. I actually did say you don't have to subscribe, but who cares? Leave a like and subscribe if you want to subscribe, and if you want to leave a like. And that was my Don't How to Die video, pretty much. That's actually pretty much my how to die video, except I wasn't